Celine Dion, the legendary vocalist with one of the most powerful voices in music history, once spent $2 million on humidifiers. Not a single, incredibly advanced humidifier, but an entire system of humidifiers designed to maintain perfect humidity levels throughout her massive home. These weren't your average drugstore humidifiers either. Dion invested in a sophisticated climate control system that ensures optimal air quality for her voice, treating her home like a high-tech recording studio where every breath of air is precisely calibrated. While most singers might just drink some tea with honey or use a basic humidifier in their bedroom, Dion went full scientific laboratory to protect her greatest asset. It's the kind of purchase that makes perfect sense when your voice is literally worth hundreds of millions of dollars, but still seems completely insane to the rest of us.